Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Okay. Wow, good morning. If you've never seen a video of mine, I'm Courtney, and this morning, feeling my oats a little bit. I have a few announcements to make. Oh, I'm getting ready to go out of town for work. Today is, happy Easter. Today is Easter. Today is Easter Sunday. So my first announcement is I am starting a second channel. That's right, you heard me, a second channel. This channel, its trailer video is going up this morning at 9 a.m. And hopefully this video will go up probably a few hours after. And maybe with some of my regular viewers, whether you're subscribed or not subscribed, you might go check it out. I can't link the video in this video until it's aired. And I can't give my second channel a shout out until the channel, I think it doesn't go live until you actually have a video posted. I'm not really sure how that whole thing works. Anyway, the channel name is The Dog and Butterfly, and it is named that because that is going to be basically my B&B name. Excuse me. That's basically going to be my B&B VRBO name, and that is exactly what I am doing. God, that's basically what I'm doing. Turning my house into a short-term rental on VRBO, and super excited about it. It'll be a way for me to make some supplemental income. And I thought the channel was a good idea because I do have to get my house ready. I've got to get my house VRBO ready. I'm not sure if it's VRBO or Airbnb that has the experience section, meaning I think it's VRBO. You can request a sushi chef or something, whatever the person is offering as an experience that's renting their room or their house on VRBO, you can do. Mine is going to be a bed and breakfast experience. And so the channel is going to be done in 2 phases in series, and the videos I'm going to be referring to them as episodes. I will have hopefully that video linked here and my new channel linked here, giving it a shout out. Hopefully it all works out. If you watch my channel, you know that my daughter's married and has 3 kids. Well, maybe you don't know that. I don't know how I know I've talked about my grandkids. I'm sure I've talked about my son-in-law. Anywho, they're getting divorced. Long story short, they are getting divorced. My daughter asked for a divorce probably 7 days before Halloween. And yeah. So in the beginning, obviously, everyone was devastated, and I cried for my son-in-law for weeks and my grandkids for weeks, and oh God. My daughter being the one who initiated it and telling me certain things, I'm not going to go into it, but I did feel bad for her, but more because she was losing her best friend, and my heart went out for her for that. Anyway, so this is why when now you see things and I'm doing things for holidays, it'll just be my grandkids and my daughter. Or if you hear me talk about, oh, we're going to get ready for 4th of July barbecue, my daughter and my grandkids are coming over, something like that. If you know that I had a son-in-law, you might be like, well, where the hell's the son-in-law? Because I've wondered that on certain channels. Like, wait a minute, they're not talking about their person. Did they split up? What's happening here? Not that it's any of my business. It really isn't. But I just wanted to put that out there because yeah, she is single now. And You might be seeing her on this channel. You might be seeing her on my other channel as well, helping me if she feels so inclined to help. She's not really a help her mother type of daughter. Yeah, she's just very, I don't know. She's just not that daughter. So yeah, that's fine. Anywho, that basically is kind of what I wanted to say. These little announcements. Is that what I call that? Anyway, my neighbor's kids are outside. They're going to start yelling and screaming and being kid-like, which is awesome. So I'm going to bid you adieu, and I will see you. I'll see you when I see you.